How to delete the Temu app on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to delete the Temu app on iPhone. Locate your Temu app on your mobile phone. Long press the Temu app and you will see different options. Tap on Remove App option provided here. Now, it will give you the option to delete the app. Tap on it and you will delete the app from your iPhone. Another option is to long press your screen. You can change the location of the apps as well as tap on the minus icon to get different options. You will get the box with options including Delete App. By tapping on it, you'll be able to delete the app from your iPhone. There's another method to delete the Temu app if you're not getting these options. Go to the Settings app on your mobile phone. Tap on General and then go to the iPhone storage. Scroll down and search the Temu app. Tap on it and you will see the option to delete the app here. Tap on Delete App and you'll be able to delete the app easily. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.